All right, SWOT analysis. You probably have heard of this tool before, especially if you were in corporate business setting, you'll definitely know what it is. But many people heard of this tool, but they don't know how to utilize it and that you can actually use it for self-coaching. So we're gonna take a look at how. In the workbook, you will find this tool, but I've built this, and just take a piece of paper, separate it into 4 parts, 4 quadrants, and let's take a look at SWOT. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Your strengths and weaknesses, they belong to your inner reality. That's on you, what's within you. Opportunities and threats, they exist in so-called external environment. This is something that's come from without. Positive and negative, helpful and harmful. So helpful towards achieving your goal, whatever you set for yourself to achieve. Strengths and opportunities. Harmful, obviously, weaknesses and threats. So on strengths, we're gonna meditate on the unique skills and talents you have. What are your personal strengths? On weaknesses, again, something that you feel like you lack skill here, or at least like have less skill than others, and what others likely see as weakness, and what do you need face up to, right? Maybe something you want to mitigate, any kind of weakness within yourself. Opportunities, what else is out there for you, right? What kind of strengths that you can translate and turn into opportunities. And threats, something that can harm you, something that can serve as an obstacle, something that would hinder your progress, right? And competition too, very important. So this SWOT analysis, once you understand it, right, it's going to help give you a better understanding on competitive position. Let's take a look at the workbook.